Hey guys, welcome back, and if you are new here, I am Rizza and this is your channel for a productive and sustainable lifestyle. You might have been seeing the trend reading assumptions about me on YouTube, and I decided to make a little spin to it, and I asked on Facebook and Instagram kung ano nga ba yung assumptions nyo about zero waste. Before we go into the video, I upload videos twice a week every week, so make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you'll know when a new video is up. So the first assumption is zero waste is hard to maintain. Well, I could say this is true. Yes, it's hard to maintain because it takes a lot of discipline and mindfulness for you to be able to sustain the lifestyle. It's hard, but it doesn't mean you have to stop. Just allow yourself to experience it, and then after a while, ikaw na bahala mag-adjust kung ano yung applicable sa'yo or not. Second assumption is that it's unattainable for the people in and below the poverty line. Well, I could say this is true. When you say it's below or within the poverty line, ito yung minimum income na kailangan ng family to meet their basic needs. So, for example, food, shelter, education, and health. Sa mahal ng bilihin ngayon at sa hirap ng buhay dito sa Pilipinas, karamihan sa atin, hindi pa nga mapagkasya yung pagkain sa araw-araw. So, may isip pa ba nilang bumili ng mas mahal na toyo, which is yung nasa bote, or yung mas mura na tingi-tingi? Siyempre, doon na tayo sa tingi-tingi na naka-plastic ng ice candy, diba? So again, unless we have access to these bulk stores na mas competitive to the lower price points, I don't think accessible yung zero-waste lifestyle para sa mga kapatid nating mahirap dito sa Pilipinas. So ang solution dito is for us to tap the bigger players and the bigger companies for us to have options to go zero waste. So I encourage you to be more vocal about your concerns, and maybe, just maybe, they will listen. Third assumption naman is ang zero waste is expensive and pangmayaman lang yan. No, I think it's false. I think zero waste lifestyle is just defined wrongly by social media kasi nakikita natin sa photos laging may pagbili ng shampoo bars, organic food, DIY skincare. Alam mo yun, parang medyo nakaka-intimidate na, ay, hindi ko naman afford yung shampoo bar na 250 to 300. So, people might get really intimidated by that. So, just to really define what zero waste is, it's about creating a circular economy. It means, kapag binili mo siya, wala kang part ng binili mo na itatapon mo. Also, zero waste lifestyle is the lifestyle of consuming less. It's about being mindful na kung hindi mo naman kailangan, hindi mo kailangang bumili. Also, borrowing and choosing secondhand and thrifting. And I think these choices are very accessible and kaya ng mga normal na taong katulad natin. Again, this lifestyle is not about stainless steel lunch boxes and organic oats. It's about working towards reducing and eliminating waste. Then yung fourth assumption naman is that zero waste is complicated. I would say this is false. Pag naririnig niyo yung sustainability and zero waste, lagi nila sinasabi mahirap, pangmayaman, or komplikado. Well, it's not. It's just about getting used to and be mindful of the choices you make. For example, how you order your coffee or how you choose the brand of your skincare. So there you have it, guys. I hope I clarified all your assumptions about zero waste. And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and comment, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye! Again, this lifestyle is not about stainless steel, sunblock, mga organic, kasi ang nakikita natin ng mga photos is yung pagbili nila ng shampoo.